Bitch, I said some gun now. Now that nigga wanna run now. Look, now this bitch gon' end now. Hey, you already know that shit is gonna shit out. Hey, now we just having a shootout. Bitch, and then I told you, baby, so guess what? Now root out. Baby, hit that 4 now. So then after that, now boy on the ground now. Look, don't even front now. Before I shoot you with this case, and guess what, baby, hit a J. And you already know that we about to shoot him. Shoot him in his fucking face. Shut your little short ass nigga down, bitch. Hey, I slapped your ass. What the fuck you gonna do? You ain't gonna do no shit. Bitch, look. I ain't no rapper, but I need only one music blapper. And you already know, and that shit, and it's gonna go plapping. And you already know my boy, hey, and I got that strapper. And you already know my nigga, and I got that strapper on me. Don't even believe me. Also, guess what? You in that guinea beamy, and you already know, nigga wanna beat me, and he like, give me them shoes, beat me. Look, I always say my lean. Then after that, I'm tryna take my chain. Look, and I shot him right in the motherfucking face, and then he dead on that ground. Now he can't breathe. And I told you now, nigga can't see, can't breathe. And I told you, baby, C-bleed, C3, and you already know GGGGB, and you already know my niggas. So guess what? We icing up, and you already know we better clice, and you already know about this ice is gonna bling. On the scope, and you already know my boys is here to show in the show, and you already know my boys don't get so dope. I got this money, what you gonna do? I always said it, boom. And you already know, nigga, I was born to shoot. And you already know, nigga, better shoot him in his head, and that nigga lay. Now he laying down, laying dead.